Hello. This is going to be just an audio. I'm making a compilation here. Sorry, just saying that when I have a chance. Like a train compilation, just a train at CPKC, Fort Langley, I believe, and a crossing there. So it's interesting, and then some still shot, and then there's like a Japanese type